already told you to record?
Yeah.
I got you, boy. I'll send you the footage after. Just look on the YouTube channel.
What's up, man? How are you? Close to 9 Mile and everything, huh?
What's up, brother?
How are you?
Good, and you?
Good, good, good. They closed everything.
Yeah, it's
Dude, the bikes are gonna be looking at two Hondas racing like, that's fast. Damn.
That was a little bit of a bigger difference than I was.
You're like, hey, yo, was that map 1 or 3?
That's a good ass.
¿Qué pasó? A little bit better.
Oh, so much better.
Yeah, that's it's gotta be the heat. It has to be the heat.
Uphill, downhill, don't matter.
Fuck, I might be down then. Shit. Damn, boy.
It's because the sedan is 50 pounds heavy.
Oh, definitely.
That's definitely.
What map were you on?
Dude, I massacred this poor bird. This little bird, bro.
Oh,
I
you asshole.
I murdered this bird, dude.
Hope your fucking pools are working, man.
All I saw was this tiny little bird and just pink. Oh, that was so sad.
You know what? That's not your fault because they got wings.
Bro,
Why
the
are
bird-
they so low?
Why is it low? Yeah, exactly. Yeah, that was good. That's fine. Who's next?
I'm sad. Oh, this kid.
No, I meant not me. Street Fighter.
Who's next? Oh, shit, dude.
Not
Mortal
me.
Kombat.
I meant other people.
What do you have, man? You stuck?
No.
Oh, I was about to say, because
Air that shit out,
Yeah.
dude.
No, what's it called? Catted downpipe, intake, pretty much full bolt on.
The first time I was in a sport, I was like, what the fuck? I'm like, all right. And then the second time, I'm like, how the fuck's food keep doing, bro? This shit.
Are you? What do you got done on yours?
Only tune and then intake and like a catback.
Really?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
That's that's
So what? So the difference is the downpipe.
Fuck yeah.
Do you have an intercooler?
I know.
That's what it is. Just the intercooler and the downpipe that makes the biggest difference.
Yeah, because I heat soaked. I was already at 120 on the way up.
Open. Are you put your e-brake on?
What are you tuned on?
Ktuner.
Ktuner?
Phereable. Same one you.
You want to go?
Sure, let it cool down a little bit.
Yeah, for sure.
What are you tuned on?
Phereable?
Phereable. Okay, that's what's up.
Yeah, because you're full bolt on too, right?
Yeah.
Fuck.
You're gonna be on map 2? Okay, I'll be on map 2 then.
Yeah, I don't like using 3.
I'll go on 3 real quick though.
Oh,
And they're like, hey, hold up, 1, 2, 3, switch.
I'll tell you right now, sport mode makes a difference, bro.
I'm always scared of going into 5th, dude. It's so scary.
Yeah?
Because like you have to go up and then, you know, so it's like I'm scared I'm going to throw into the 3rd accidentally.
I've done it a couple times, but I wasn't speeding, so I was able to catch it up. I know what you mean.
I'm already
And you're like, oh shit.
Oh shit, babe, we're walking home today.
I short shift right before I hit redline so it doesn't get that cut. So that's like I think the best to do.
Third time I
Gotcha.
actually like hit red line. I was like, nah, I'm gonna pass this fool. We're coming down this way. I was like, get him. And even with that, bro, I was like, god damn. What's your prediction?
I don't know, we're pretty even, so probably like head to head.
Yeah, what you gonna do, bro?
Yeah, probably. I'll ask him up there.
Brake boost.
Brake boost?
Yeah.
Maybe.
Just do it.
Hey, can you yell out Toretto?
Yeah. Are you in 2nd gear?
Yeah.
Okay.
So just, we'll wait for traffic, but make sure you're on oncoming, like the other lane.
Yeah.
I don't want to be next to these bikers.
For sure. You want to honk it or how do you want to do it?
You'll honk it.
Okay, let's go. And gets 30. Fuck!
We always try to race. They always do.
Dude, that 85 made a difference.
That 1 gallon?
That 1 gallon makes a difference.
Okay, so do you want to do it again? 30 roll again?
Sure. Full 91. And you got a gallon of V85?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It makes a little difference.
All right. You ready? Okay. Damn.
That was pretty good.
Yeah, I didn't even get to see it, bro. Shit scared me.
Nah, let's call it. I'm at 84 knock.
Oh, shit.
So I'm gonna chill for a bit.
It's
So
the
the-
knock control that limits your power.
Is that what it
I
is?
never saw anything above 56.
Mine was 84 right there, bro. I pulled off to the side of the fuck, man. Dude, that 1 gallon of E85 makes that much of a difference.
fool.
Holy shit.
I tested it, bro. I did E85, then 91, then back to 85 because I know
That was
It makes that small difference because it doesn't raise your knock count and then that doesn't limit your
Forgot
power.
about the handicap, Jonathan. We should have put like another
I
75
would've
pounds.
been
in
there.
there.
I gotta start time. Hey, Lloyd, let's go.
You need to have another person in there,
Hey,
man.
one more. Lloyd's in the car with me. You're right. Hey, Lewis, let's go.
We're like 4 people in your car.
Hey, what the fuck is golly?
But yeah, what's that?
Dude, the cruising with the family.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, he has his whole family in the car. Dude, his kid in the back, he's like,
He's like just stuck to the back.
like, Daddy again. Dude, that was dope, man. 85 makes a difference, guys. He's only on 1 gallon of V85, so I need to do that. Fucking A, dude. That's crazy. Yeah.
That's what it is. It's the knock count like lowers your power.
Oh no, you'll see the lockout on camera, dude. Big old fat 84 right there, dude.
Yeah, I didn't see anything above 50, like 56.
All right.
Are we still doing a cruise next week?
Fucking A. Same mods as me.
My breaker's on the third, so I don't want to go.
Dude, who knew 1 gallon of E85 would make that much of a difference? I'm gonna hit him up and see what's up, because essentially we have the same bolt. I think he is catless too, and I'm catted. So, that was a close race, so. I gotta win some, dude. I gotta find some to win some, and we'll go from there. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. You guys have a good day. Peace.